Hi, so today we are going to do the lead codes problem for the day. Let me share my screen. Okay, so let's do it. It says that given the head of the linked list, return the node where the cycle begins. We have to find a cycle. There is no cycle. If there is no cycle, then we have to return null if it terminates. There's a cycle in the list. Okay, so we have a timer going on. Let's see if we can quickly solve it. So we are given this sort of loop. So one intuitive solution would be you just iterate through all the nodes, and if you reach a null, then it's not a cycle. Or if you have reached a previously visited node, then that's the cycle and that's the start of the loop. So let's see how we do it. I think we'll maintain a hash set of list nodes visited is, and then we'll say while head is not equal to null, and so if it terminates, if head equal to null, then return null. Terminates. Otherwise, you say if we had visited it previously, if we have not visited it, then we go inside, otherwise we terminate. Otherwise we return the head. Okay, and now here we will just add it to our visited set, and then for head we'll do head dot next to go to the next. So how it starts is we'll just be here initially. So if head is null, then what happens? If head is not equal to null. Okay, so if head initially is equal to null, then also we return null. If head dot next is null, then also we return. Okay, so now what happens is we start with here the head pointer, and we will have this visited set which is initially empty. Then we'll go here, we'll add it to the visited, we'll go to the next. It's again not null, and so we'll add this also to the set. Just let's run this code. Okay, it works. So what's the time complexity? Order of n, because we have to loop through all the elements at least once with number of nodes, and space would be also order of n if we have not found and terminated before. We have to store all the elements if it starts like at the first. So let's see. Okay, it's still at 5, which is a worse because we can do better. Here, instead of just checking in the hash set, which takes time, we can go and see the previously collected nodes. So let's see. So, if first go to first dot next. So here initially our slow pointer will be here, fast will be here, slow, fast, fast, slow, fast, fast. It's faster than 100% of Java submissions. Yeah.